everyone! If you're stepping into the job market, you might be wondering if AI is going to be a friend or a foe. Today we're diving into whether AI could potentially swipe those entry-level jobs right out from under you. Let's get into it. First up, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, in a nutshell, is technology designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like translating languages, recognizing speech, and even making decisions. So how is AI impacting jobs? There's no denying it. AI is reshaping industries. From automated customer service bots in retail to sophisticated data analysis tools in finance, AI technologies are being integrated into various roles. But does this mean doom and gloom for job seekers? Not necessarily. While AI can take over repetitive and predictable tasks, this technology also creates new opportunities. Think about AI maintenance, development, and oversight. These areas need human input. Plus, companies are always on the lookout for people who can bridge the gap between technical AI systems and practical business applications. However, it's crucial for job seekers like you to adapt. The skills that were valuable a decade ago aren't the same as what's needed today. Emphasizing adaptability, problem solving, and continuous learning in your resume could be your ticket to standing out. Also, getting familiar with AI and its applications in your field could turn you from a novice to a needed expert. So, will AI steal your first job? It might take over some roles, but more likely it's going to transform them. Your job isn't disappearing, it's evolving. And that means you must evolve too. Keep learning, stay flexible, and you could find yourself in a career that's not only secure, but also more rewarding than you imagined. Remember, every industrial revolution brought with it fear of the unknown. But it also brought innovation and new jobs. The AI revolution is no different. Instead of fearing what AI might take away, focus on what it can bring. Opportunity is often on the other side of innovation. That wraps up our discussion for today. If you're curious about how you can prepare for an AI-driven job market, or if you have thoughts on AI and future employment, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Catch you in the next video.